हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लरिकल एग्ज़ाम जो 18 अक्टूबर 2020 को हुआ है, उसके अगले क्वेश्चंस 60 क्वेश्चंस हमने पिछली वीडियो में डिस्कस किए हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टार्टअप इंडिया स्कीम वाज लॉन्च्ड इन विच ईयर? स्टार्टअप इंडिया स्कीम किस वर्ष लॉन्च हुई? 2015 में। राउंड रेवोल्यूशन इज रिलेटेड विद द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? पोटैटो। विच इज़ लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंज्यूमर ऑफ ब्लैक टी इन इंडिया? इन वर्ल्ड? इंडिया। Which industrial policy resolution is called Economic Constitution of India? 1956. Asia's first export processing zone was set up in 1965 at Kandla. FERA stands for Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. RBI was constituted on recommendation of which commission? Hilton Young Commission. At the rate at which RBI gives finance to commercial bank is called bank rate. Which authority regulates the insurance sector? IRDAI. Which is also called paper gold, special drawing rights. SI unit of energy is joule. The satellite whose time period is 24 hours is called geostationary satellite. Which is used as back view mirror, convex mirror. Who discovered the phenomenon of radioactivity? All of these: Madame Curie, Pierre Curie, Henry Becquerel. Which catalyst is used in manufacture of ghee from vegetable oil? Nickel. Common salt is called sodium chloride. Which is first metal used by man? Copper, tamba. Solder is alloy of lead and tin. CNG mainly contains methane. Graphite is also called as black lead. Soaps are sodium and potassium salts of higher fatty acid. Next question is, bakelite is made up of formaldehyde and phenol. Chemically, vinegar is acetic acid. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. COVID-19 is caused by virus. Which is social insect? Ant. The second largest gland of human body is pancreas. Kidney stone is generally composed of calcium oxalate crystals. Pneumonia affects which organ of human body? Lungs. Dolly was cloned of sheep. Kinnaur was carved out of which tehsil of erstwhile Mahaso district in 1960? Chini. Next question is, Pir Panjal is famous range of which part of Himalaya? Middle Himalayan range. Kumarwah Lake is situated in which district of HP? Mandi. Spiti River is a tributary of which major river of HP? Satluj. Chadwick Waterfall is located in near which place of HP? Summerhill. Nehru Kund is located in which valley of HP? Kullu Valley. Makori Jot is situated in which district of HP? Kangra. Halda festival is celebrated in which district of HP? Lahol Spiti. Jayanti Mata temple is located in which place of HP? Kangra. Jorna fair is celebrated in which place of HP? Chopal. Old name of Udaipur was Mirikul. Capital of Baghal princely state was at Arki. Sex ratio of HP as per census 2011, 972. Next question is, first deputy speaker of HP Vidhan Sabha was Krishna Chandra. Writer of the book The Himalayan District Kullu Lahol Spiti is APF Harcourt. O.P. Tak was a famous painter of which school of painting? Kangra. HP Private Education Institution Regulatory Commission was established in which year? 2010. Suketi Fossil Park is located in which district of HP? Sirmaur. War Memorial is located near which place of HP? Dharamsala. Karcham Wangtu hydroelectric project is constructed on which year? Which river? Satluj. Next GK questions are, who is the chairperson of recently reconstituted National Platform of Disaster Risk Reduction, Union Home Minister. Which airport of Maharashtra has been recently named as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Airport, Aurangabad Airport? Next question is, according to the recent estimate published by Union National Conference on Trade and Development, which economy is most affected by coronavirus outbreak? European Union. Which engineering institute of India has obtained the highest rank in recent QS World Ranking? IIT Mumbai, 44th ranking. Which Indian is a recipient of 128th Commonwealth Point of Light Award? Jadov Payang, Forest Man. What is time limit within which Lokpal shall dispose a complaint of alleged corruption against public servant? 30 days. The mobile application Humsafar, which was in news recently, is associated with which service? Door delivery of fuel. Muhyiddin Yassin, recently sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Malaysia. Niti Aayog has recently selected which union territory for first pilot projection on sustainable development goals? Jammu and Kashmir. As of 2020, how many languages of India are given the status of classical language? 6.